Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this insole. So you are going to need a sole, marco. Put the shoe sole on the marco and draw a line around it. Cut out with a scissors and trim it. Place it on the sole. If there is excess, mark it out and cut again. So you are going to put your adhesive gum on the marco. Then you add gum to the fiber too. When it is dry, put the marco on the fiber and cut. So use your sandpaper and sandpaper it around to make the edges smooth. After that, you are going to mark where you put your glue. Place it on the leather and mark where you will add glue. Now that it's dry, you place it on the leather and cut it out. Add glue on the edges again to enable you fold it easily. When the glue is dry, just fold it this way. So you cut the rough edges out. Cut this side out too. So you're going to mark it this way. This is half of an inch. Mark it with your pen. So you mark it round and punch it. We are going to make 3 single crochet in each of these punch places. But in the first hole, prick hole, make 2 single crochet. 1 and 2. Just this first one. So in the rest of the holes, you are going to make 3 single crochet in each of the prick holes. Repeat the same thing round. So you repeat 1 more single crochet in the first place where we started. Add 1 more single crochet there. Make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch and cut off the thread. So this is how it looks. So we are going to make these slip stitches on the outsole. So this outsole already has prick holes. You are going to insert your crochet hook in the prick hole, yarn over and pull through. Then you insert it again in the second prick hole, yarn over and pull through. Then you pull through again to make a slip stitch. So you insert in the next prick hole, yarn over and pull through. Then you pull through again to make a slip stitch. Insert it in the next prick hole, yarn over and pull through. Then you pull it through again to make another slip stitch. So you are basically going to be repeating the same thing. You pull through, then pull through again. So you are going to repeat the same thing round to this side. So at the end, you are going to insert it where you started from and pull through to cover up the place. Then you cut off your thread and pull it out completely. Insert it here, yarn over and pull through. You turn it inward, insert again, yarn over, and then you pull through. So you insert this one too, yarn over and pull through. So you can tie it from inside and then cut off your thread, then you bond the edge. So in this slip stitch, under the slip stitch, we are going to be making 2 single crochet in each of the loops. So you are going to make 1 single crochet, insert again, yarn over and pull through, make 2 single crochet, move to the next place, insert, yarn over and pull through, make 1 single crochet, insert in the same place again and make the second single crochet. So basically under each of these slip stitch, you are going to be making 2 single crochet. So you are going to repeat the same thing round under each of these slip stitch. So friends, if you are getting any value from this tutorial, kindly give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing so that you don't miss out on my new videos. So you are going to add glue on the outer sole. Just add it the way you see it, and on the inner sole, going to add it and let it dry. When it is dry, you put it together just like this. So we are going to be using 1 single crochet to join the 2 together. So you use the 1 single crochet round and join it together. So you are going to repeat the same single crochet round. Just repeat it round back to this place. So at the end you cut off the thread, make a slip stitch, hide the excess thread behind, and this is how it looks. So please give me a thumbs up if you love this tutorial, and if you have not yet subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, because on this channel I teach simple crochet DIYs and simple beading slippers, African craft slippers. So please do not forget to like and share. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you. God bless you, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.